Running ads or any kind of activity on Meta can sometimes result in technical or policy related issues. Here are a few of the most common problems that you might face and how to resolve them. The first is ad rejection. You might see an error message when you're setting up your ads. This means that your ad may have been rejected by Meta. This could be because it contains alcohol content, which needs to be targeted to 18-year-olds only. Often Meta will give you a reason as to why the ad has been rejected. And if you think it's unfair, you can appeal this. Your options are to create a brand new ad or edit the existing ad. You can head to your account overview to keep an eye on any rejected ads or any issues you're having with Meta. The link to the account overview is in the notes on this video. If you're ever uncertain, always review the Facebook ad policies available on Meta's website and also in the link below. And this will give you a clue as to why your ad may well have been rejected. It's likely that this is to do with alcohol content, so just be aware of what is and isn't available to advertise on Meta. If you are having any billing issues, then you can always head to your billing and payments section, which is available in the full menu within the Meta Business Suite. Here you can add a payment method, you can switch a payment method, or you can see if there's been any issues with your card. Sometimes Meta does have an issue with American Express, worth keeping an eye on that. If you encounter any issues that you can't resolve on your own, the best thing to do is use Meta Live Chat. To do this, go to your Meta Business Suite and click on the Help section on the bottom left-hand side. Here you'll be able to open up the Help window, which opens up on the right, where you can search through articles. Right at the bottom, you'll be able to find a Get Support button. Here you'll have to fill out some information, and if you keep selecting Other, you will eventually find the option to speak to somebody at Facebook. Just make sure that you've got the right assets selected. So they could hopefully assist with things like name changes, password resets, or any issues that you're having with your ad account, Facebook page, or Instagram. I would recommend that if you are going to talk to them, you do this early in the morning when the average wait time is a lot shorter, before America wakes up.